guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be walking you guys through how to make money with PayPal arbitrage. Now I'm going to show you a different way to go about it, especially since when Grail has started an upgrade in their USD bank foreign bank account. So ever since when they started this upgrade, a lot of people have been complaining and telling me they are unable to carry out the arbitrage. So I'm going to show you how I do my own, and you can also do the same thing for you to make money. Now if I scroll down here and show you guys this stuff, you see that I've sent out more than $3,000 from this PayPal account. Okay, I've sent out more than $3,000 from this PayPal account. So I've done a lot of transactions here with this account, and you know, everything is still intact. And if I go to my Payoneer, you're going to see that I've done some huge transactions right here, as you can see. So everything is something that I've done, and it's something that is working for me, and that is exactly why I want to share it on this channel. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, so that you won't miss any updates or any video from me once I drop them. So to do this, of course, we need a PayPal account. So if you don't know how to create a PayPal account, watch my video on how to create a PayPal business account. Of course, again, we also need a Payoneer account. Okay, so you can have your PayPal account and your Payoneer account linked. So the next thing we need to do is to link PayPal to Payoneer. I've made a video showing you exactly how to link PayPal to Payoneer. I'll also try to leave it in the description box below, or you can also search my channel how to link PayPal to Payoneer. You are going to find the video. So once you've linked your PayPal to your Payoneer, then now we need to send money from PayPal to Payoneer. Okay, so very simple. All we need to do is to click on transfer money, and it's going to put it up. Then we can be able to transfer money from this PayPal account into our Payoneer bank account. Okay, so once you click on transfer money, it's going to take you to this page where you now select the bank. Of course, I have two banks here. One is Grail, one is Payoneer, sorry. So this down one is Payoneer, so I can just select it and continue, but I'm not going to send money. Okay, so once you've sent money from our PayPal into our Payoneer, it might take up to 1 to 3 business days for the money to arrive. And if the money arrive, you're going to see it at your balance right here. As you can see, I have 110 USD that I sent from my PayPal account. Okay, I sent this money from my PayPal account not long, and it has arrived my Payoneer account. So I have the money right here. Okay, so once the money is right here on our Payoneer account, so right now we need to do a simple trick. Okay, I'm going to show you how to go about it. Okay, so what we need to do now is to link our Grail to our Payoneer. Now how can we do that? We need to link our Grail bank account to our Payoneer so that we can be able to withdraw from Payoneer to Grail. Now since USD account is having issues with Grail, what we are going to be linking is GBP. It's called pounds, GBP. Okay, so to do that, all we need to do is to go to this section and go and click on withdraw and transfer. So once we click on withdraw and transfer, it's going to ask us where. We just select withdraw to bank. So what we actually want to do is we want to add a new bank account. So just click on this add new account. So once you click on add new account, it's going to load up and ask us to add our bank account. So I've added more than 3 banks. So I think the minimum or the maximum Payoneer allows us to add is 3. So I have exhausted that offer. I have more than 3 accounts linked. So but for you probably might not have any bank account linked, or you have some linked. Okay, so what you want to do is to click on link a new bank. So once you click on it, then it's going to ask you all the details you need. So all the details you need is right here on your Grail. So just go to account section and scroll down to where you have your GBP, which is pounds. Okay, you are going to find all the information you need: your account number, your routing number, the address, the name of the bank. Everything is right here. So just fill in the details as you are being asked. Just copy the details right here from Grail and add it to your Payoneer. So once you've done that, it's going to go through some approval steps. Now once they have approved it, then you can now transfer money from your Payoneer into the Grail. Now how can you transfer money? Same thing. So just click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, it's going to ask you where do you want to withdraw from. So I just want to withdraw from my USD accounts. Since I have $110 there, and where am I withdrawing it to? I'm withdrawing it to my Clear Junction Limited account, which is the account GBP account from Gray. As you can see right here, this is Clear Junction Limited, so it's my GBP account from Grail. So once I select that, I'm going to select maximum the amount. So once I select the amount, it's going to put it up and tell us that I'm going to be receiving it's 9.45 pounds into my Grail Clear Junction pounds account. So once that is fine by me, I just scroll down and click on review. Then once I click on review, after some little time, I think if you do this before 6 p.m. you should receive it that same day. Okay, just after some few hours we should be able to see the money right here on our GBP account balance. Okay, so once we have the money, GBP account money in our account balance, then we can go ahead to swap it to naira. Okay, so let me show you something that is really very important, and that is the rate at which they buy GBP from this platform. So GBP as of the time I'm making this video is 716 naira. So earlier this morning when I checked, it was still on 739 naira. So I don't know why it fell so much. It was 716 naira, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay, you still make a lot of profit as well from it. So 716 naira is still a good bargain. It's still a good profit if you go if you decide to go through this route. Okay, so once I now have the funds on my naira account swapped to 716 naira per pound, then I can go ahead to withdraw the money from my naira account into my account into my bank account. As you can see right here, I can withdraw this amount into my account. So that's how you go about it using these three platforms: PayPal, Payoneer, and Grail. Okay, so it's very simple. Like I said before, just link your PayPal to your Payoneer, then transfer from PayPal into your Payoneer, then from your Payoneer transfer into your Grail, then from your Grail you can swap it, then transfer into your normal naira account. Okay, so normal bank account. Okay, so it's very simple, and I believe it's straightforward. So this is what I do, this is how I run my arbitrage right now. So we are all looking forward to Grail. Let them fix this USD foreign account as quick as possible so we can continue with our arbitrage directly without any troubles. Okay, so if you like my video, you like this video in particular, please like it. Okay, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm push up this video to as many people that needs to see it as possible. Okay, so that is a way of telling me thank you. And as well, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel, join the family so that you can be able to get new videos once I drop them on this channel. Okay, and if you have any question at all, of course I'll be in the comment section. I normally reply my comments. Okay, so I'll be there waiting for your questions just to answer you. Okay, so I think I'm done with this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much.